You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can let crack jokes be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am reviewing another wig from UNiceHair. I'm showing you guys all the goodies they sent over. Now this wig is the first red wig that I've had in a long time. This is a 13x4 lace front kinky afro puff reddish brown wig in 22 inches. As you can see, it has the Aircap, so that just means that it's breathable, especially for the summertime months, and you can even like scratch it or whatever, let your hair breathe. This is what the lace looks like. The hair is already pre-plucked, so it came pretty much plucked and ready for me to start styling. You guys see that it is plucked very nicely, so I don't have to do anything to it. And also the lace is pre-cut, so I don't have to worry about that either. So I'm just spraying my even lace tinting spray in the darkest brown color so that the lace can match my skin tone. And now we are going to try it on. So this is their kinky afro texture. So as you can see, the curls are very, very tight, and they're just like really tight and very coily. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through it to kind of detangle the hair, and then I'm gonna run my comb through it as well. I really want to refresh the curls and make them pop. So this is what I always do with my curly wigs. I always comb them out so I can have like a fresh slate. So I'm just going to comb all the curls out and detangle it, and then I'm going to go in with my water bottle so that I can refresh the curls and make the curls pop and get them to be a little bit softer. So I'm just continuing to detangle the hair when it's wet and run my fingers through it. Okay, now I'm going to frame my face. I'm just pulling out two pieces only in the front of the hair, and I'm cutting some very light layers in it. It doesn't take that much hair off of the wig, but it makes a huge difference once the hair is dry. It really frames your face, so it's not just all one length. It kind of adds some dimension to the hairstyle. Now I'm going to go in with my Nairobi mousse, and I'm going to add a generous amount to the hair, and I'm going to comb that throughout the hair on both sides. Okay, I'm just combing through the hair so you guys can see up close how these curls are popping. And the curls are nice and springy, bouncy. They're just really, really tight and really pretty. They look really nice, especially with this color. Now I'm just going to pin my hair out. I'm going to let it air dry for a while. Like, watch the difference, y'all. Look at the color, and now look at me coming back. As you can see, the color is a lot more vibrant when it's dry, and then the curls did shrink up. So it does mimic like kinky afro texture. So you know we have shrinkage, so this wig has shrinkage as well. So this is what the curls look like when they are all dried up. Like I said, they are very tight, coily curls. This is what my hairline looks like, very natural looking. I didn't glue it down or anything. If you want your cap to look even more natural, you just tighten it up so it can be really tight and close to your head, and you won't have any like spacing or anything. I just took the wig off so I could show you how quick it is for you to apply this wig. Like literally 15-second install is all you need, especially after you're done styling it and everything. The color of this wig is very unique and pretty. I don't usually get this color to review. I'm showing you guys the length of the wig on me. Like I said, it's 22 inches, but it does have shrinkage. So yeah, if you're looking for a hot summer hairstyle, check out this wig. I'll have all the information and the links in the description. Thank you so much, UNiceHair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.